Hello viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a lot of Indian coins, and I think maybe 3 of them are Indian princely state coins. And this order cost $21.12. So let's see what we've got. Let's open it up. Oh, maybe there's a pull tab. Maybe I don't even need that. Yeah. Okay. Not bad. Okay, this is the whole collection here, and in the top row there we have a 1943 Indian half rupee. Has the panther on it. And the next 2 coins over we have are both from the Indian princely state of Mewar, and the first one is a 1 Anna from 1943. And I think that's worth probably about $5 to $10 in that condition. And it's still hard to see. And this next one is a half Anna from 1942, also from Mewar. So the first coin we have there in the top row is going to be a 1950 1 rupee from India. The next one's going to be a 1950 50 paisa. And then I think the next 2 are going to be 1961 paisas, 1961 50 paisas. And over here we have a quarter Anna from 1944. I'll show you the other side. Very nice coin there. Okay, right here we have a quarter rupee from 1950, and although the next 3 coins there look very similar, they changed it from quarter rupee to 25 paisa. These are all from the 1960s, I believe. Oh, I'm sorry, 1950. That one's 1950. And that one's a 60 and a 61. The next row down from that are 10 paisa from 1957, maybe? 1959. And then these next 2 rows here are all 5 paisa. These are all 1957 5 paisas. And these are all 5 paisa from the 60s. 60 and 61, I believe. And the very last coin we have here is a 2 paisa from 1957. So I'll have to do a little research here and see what we come up with for a total. But having spent $21.12, we probably have maybe double the amount in coins there. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.